your hands out the window right now! Put both of your hands out the window!
In Woodridge, Illinois, officers swarmed Derek House's car with weapons drawn, shouting conflicting and aggressive commands. Officers threatened to end him and shoot him in the head without confirming he was the right suspect. House complied calmly, but was still handcuffed, searched, and placed in a patrol car without any explanation.
You, with an outside hand, reach out, open the door. Watch your crossfire. Okay, real slow, left hand, do it from the inside. You come out with a gun, we are going to end you. Do you understand? There you go, come on out. I gotta click the time, sir. Put in park, real slow. Everything real slow. I'm gonna shoot you in your head if you come up with anything other than that. Alright, real slow. Y'all got the slow down. Somebody shut off that siren. Left hand, real slow, across your body, undo your seatbelt. I got you. You look at me, nobody else, you do what I say, you'll be okay. Real slow, come out of that car. You guys got cover? Got cover. I got face away from me. Face away from me. Face that car. Walk back to me real slow. Real slow. Now move. Hands behind your back right now.
Oh, man. I don't have any weapons. I just came from Costco, dude.
Do not move. 61 to 10.
You guys gotta be...
Slow down, my man. We're going to explain everything in a minute, but we're going to do it safe.
Even after detaining House, officers instructed each other not to explain anything or ask him questions. This violates the Fifth Amendment, which protects against deprivation of liberty without due process of law. He sat in the back of a squad car, completely unaware that he was the victim of a mistaken identity. Meanwhile, the officers casually realized they had the wrong vehicle based on mismatched license plate numbers.
Have a seat. So bring him back to TV, bring him to one of our interview rooms. I got you. Matt, can you follow him? Gentlemen, not a word with him. Don't explain what's going on. Don't ask him no questions. Good? Good. Got you. All right, yeah. No, interview room. Put him by my office. All right. Sam 20. We're out to the PD 1 mil 95, starting mileage 106972. Charlie Nora, 482.
Hey, Tom, this is the right car. That's not the right car. This is the wrong car. CSF 794663. Yeah, this is the wrong car.
We're all good.
This is the wrong car.
Of course not.
Yes, it is.
CN.
But the plate don't match. The last 4 or 5 are wrong. It's the wrong plate. Well, we got tucked in about the fucking bring, you know? Yep.
Once they saw the mismatched digits and differing vehicle model, they abruptly admitted it was the wrong car. False arrest, according to 42 U.S. Code Section 1983, occurs when someone is detained under color of any statute without proper legal basis. The officer then tried to apologize by saying, "This is on me," after nearly executing a man over a plate misread. They even acknowledged that the target car had multiple occupants while House was driving alone.
Take him out. Wrong car. Take him out. Wrong car. Hop on, man. Place the car. That's the deal. We'll take you out of handcuffs. There you go. Okay, I'm going to give you some information on who I am. We'll talk about what's going on. Okay, but I'm going to take care of these handcuffs first. So we go through the head and shoot. Car plates. The car is the same as yours. Plates match with hold on.
No.
Hold on.
No.
Look at me.
No.
Plates match. 2 of them are off. Alright? That's why you're placed in handcuffs. We thought you were the guy.
No.
Alright? You're not. I understand that. Alright? Hey, listen, look at me. What's up? Okay. Understand that? I'm gonna give you my card. This is on me.
Absolutely.
Absolutely on me. Let's clear these roads.
Y'all threatening to shoot me in the head and shit. Move, put your hands up. Like,
You're right.
This is fun.
Okay, well, listen.
This is fun. Ridiculous. I've been out here for 15 years and never have I once in my life. My man, nothing,
But
dude.
you have to look at it
My man, nothing, dude.
He's got every right to be.
Unacceptable.
You are absolutely
Especially you, Harvey. Especially you, bro.
Okay. All right.
That is.
Your name?
My name is Derek House, man. I've been out here. I lived in Woodridge for 10. I've been in Downers Grove for 3, man. I'm a upstanding citizen. My kids go to school here. I'm well respected. That shit is wrong.
You're right. You're right.
You don't do that. You don't do that.
Derek House is now suing the police department, represented by the firm Eckel, Williams and Provenzel. The lawsuit cites excessive force, false arrest, failure to intervene, assault, and intentional infliction of emotional distress. Qualified immunity does not shield officers from blatant rights violations where constitutional rights are clearly established. The fact that no officers were charged shows how broken the accountability system can be when law enforcement makes life-threatening errors. This wasn't just a mistaken stop, it was a traumatic violation of constitutional rights backed by threats of deadly force. When corrupt cops messed with the wrong man, they didn't just face a lawsuit, they exposed their department's reckless disregard for human life. Just like this encounter, here are cops who tried to violate man's rights.
What? Maybe I'm playing music. Right, when it's on, right?
Wow.
It's parked.
But it's still on, right?
So what happened? It's parked. Look up the law.
That's the debate today.
Yeah, right? It's parked. So what happened?
Wow.
Have a good night, sir.
Peacefully.
Have a good night.
Peacefully.
ID for what? What you need ID for?
Here we go with the ID.
I don't answer questions.
Ex-police officer Ferguson 872.
What you coming to me for now?
Wow.
I don't answer questions. So what's the matter? Huh?
Tow the car for what? Wow, this how you people
Tow it if you
operate?
want. You can tow it if you want. The person responsible for the car
This is
tow it if you want.
crazy.
Just turn the car. You can
People
tow it
are
if you want.
criminals. People don't have a life. People are criminals. That's crazy.
Let me get my phone.
Right.
Let's towing.
Right.
Let me get my phone.
I want to see you tow this.
Because they're upset that people is just standing here, just being peaceful. Yeah.
Hey, just turn the car. Let's turn it off. Let's turn it off. Let's break the car. Let's turn it off. And the ticket's mine. So let's go. What you saying to me now? You're going to threaten what? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Huh? Daddy, what's your badge number? What's your name and your badge number? What you need?
This is just ridiculous. Yeah, here we go with the profiling. Here we go with the profiling. As an ex-police officer myself, here we go.
What are you?
You're a police officer.
I'm an ex-police officer. That's not your business. I could say that because I did
I
that.
need your ID.
For
That's
what?
not your business.
You're not getting my ID. What crime?
Right.
What's your reasonable articulable suspicion
Right.
that I commit a crime? You talking about you coming up to me
Right.
talking about you need ID. Where's
You
your
wanted to know
sergeant?
if we're
When officers confronted a peaceful group over a parked car and background music, things quickly escalated, not because of any crime, but because of ego and profiling. Under Terry v. Ohio, 392 U.S. 1, 1968, officers must have reasonable, articulable suspicion that a person is involved in criminal activity before demanding identification. But here, all we see is a parked car, loud music, and officers asking, ID for what? While offering no clear reason, the officer couldn't say what crime had been committed, yet demanded ID and threatened arrest, exposing just how untrained and power-hungry some cops become when challenged by someone who knows the law. Instead of resolving the situation calmly, one officer's ego drove the encounter straight into a mess. According to the Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution, citizens are protected against unreasonable searches and seizures and must not be detained without legal justification. Yet, this officer bypassed that, completely ignoring repeated requests for a supervisor, denying any stated crime, and resorting to intimidation. The group continuously asked, "What crime?" and "Where's your sergeant?" But those lawful demands were dismissed. When you can't answer those simple questions and your badge becomes your weapon, it's no longer law enforcement. It's bullying dressed in uniform.
Where's your
If we were
supervisor?
drinking,
Call your
right.
sergeant or your supervisor.
Right.
That's what I need.
Get him out here.
I need your
You're
ID.
not going to get
speak
ID
to
from
him.
me until you tell me
Right.
what crime I commit.
You item in your car.
My car?
Yeah.
What car is that?
Your car.
But I never said that was my car.
That's what you told me. That's what you said.
Wow.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Okay.
I don't know what you're talking about. So go ahead with that now.
All right, I need your ID.
And I get my ID,
All right,
sir.
so you
Get
gonna-
your sergeant. Get your sergeant. Hold this to me.
Yeah,
Hold this to me.
get your sergeant.
Hold this to me. Hold this
You're
to me.
not doing that.
Hold this to me. Hold this to
Nah.
me. Hold this to me.
This is
Hold it.
crazy. Well,
Hold this, hold
you
it.
already know.
Hold it, hold it,
Lawsuit.
hold it.
That's it.
Thank
Don't call
you.
the
Don't worry.
attorney. That's it.
What you?
That's it.
What you?
I'm an
get your
ex-police
sergeant.
officer,
Get your
so I know
sergeant.
what's going on here.
I'm on
This
the
gonna be
sidewalk.
some bullshit.
Your ID?
Get your
ID for
sergeant.
what?
Go in.
What's the crime?
Get your sergeant.
What's the crime?
Can I
What
get
crime is he
sergeant?
suspected of?
Can I get a
So why is
sergeant
it
on
only
scene?
him you're requesting
I need
ID?
a sergeant. Request your sergeant.
Come on, you doing some
Yeah.
bullshit right now.
Stop.
Get your sergeant. You doing this is harassment.
Come harassment
This
and
is
harassment.
profiling
Thank you.
and harassment.
Think about it.
We're
Can I
not
get the
doing
sergeant
nothing.
on
That's
scene?
crazy.
What you mean stop talking? For what?
Wow.
Stop talking.
Disrespectful. You a human being just like us. Nobody. No.
Wait, hold on.
No.
Relax.
No.
Get
Be
your
respectful.
sergeant. Ask for their
That's
sergeant.
not how you operate. Come on.
Don't worry. I asked for their sergeant.
That's crazy. This is profiling. No,
Yeah.
because y'all don't need to be doing
He's
this.
coming up to
This
me.
is
Don't
uncalled
ask me
for.
nothing. I need your sergeant.
And your ego is off the chain. As an ex-police officer, your ego is off the chain.
sergeant, please.
You can't talk to him. You
Can
can't
you
talk
call
to
your
him.
sergeant? Tell him to de-escalate.
Squad,
please.
you can't talk to him.
tell your man-
He's off the chain. What he need an ID for?
Don't touch me.
Come on.
Having me up.
Talk to this guy.
He's good as hell.
Squad, talk to this guy.
Your ID, okay?
Talk to this
Call the
guy.
sergeant.
Talk to your squad.
Thank you.
Y'all know this is not right. Talk to your squad. Come on, this is
Now you
crazy.
ain't tell me what crime I
You
committed.
is crazy. You all up in his face because he don't want to give you ID. Come on, this is
My
ridiculous.
car? My car?
This,
Thank
yeah,
you.
this is
All right.
ridiculous. You profiling right now. Talk to your
I can tell you
squad.
shit.
Talk to your
I can
squad.
tell you.
Let him back down.
So then, how do you want this?
ID for what? Come on. I'm an ex-police officer myself from the islands. You understand? This is not illegal. I'm chilling here with my... Why you want an ID? Because you come here, y'all drinking? Come on, it's ridiculous.
Hold on. I can scream.
Can't even have a fiance nighttime. It's crazy.
Touching me. I'm on the public
Right.
sidewalk and he's just touching me.
Y'all need to talk to this squad here. He need to back down. This is profiling. You doing too much.
Right.
For no reason.
I need a sergeant on the...
Nah, because nobody listening.
Hold on, babe. Hold on. I got...
We could stop screaming, but let's talk rational.
Don't threaten me with arrest. It's fine. We got him. Don't
Nah, this is crazy. Back your ego down, squad. What's up? Back your ego down. Nah.
Thank you. Crazy.
Have a good night, officer.
All you have
Thank
to
you.
keep going.
This is ridiculous.
You had to do.
Peacefully.
Yes, sir.
Decent people.
Sir, I'm on the public sidewalk. All you had to do was keep going. You jumped out talking about, oh, this is your car, you're idling.
And what
My
y'all
car?
drinking? That bully shit.
Did you see me?
Come on, we watch this shit every day. I've been lived this shit 5 years of my damn life.
I never said
You don't
that.
go around treating people like that.
No. You said that.
All right? That's what you said.
I can say whatever I want.
Ridiculous.
Get your sergeant on scene.
Ridiculous.
Go by your word, so whatever you say.
Ridiculous.
Prove it's my car.
Ridiculous.
You stupid.
Ridiculous.
I'm disrespectful to you.
I'm sure this not what they trained
I
you.
want you to cry. I want you to
Nah.
Hold on.
You need to talk to him.
Hold on.
For what?
For being disorderly.
Because you being a... No, don't push me. Don't push me. Don't push me. Come
Stay
on.
with me over here, okay?
Don't push me. You know you want some bullshit.
All right, so he's
Come on.
sidewalk and he's telling me this is my
Nobody here is a criminal.
with arrest. So I want to know what crime.
Oh, wait, no, wait.
What crime did I
Oh my goodness.
What crime did I commit? Are you the sergeant?
This is just ridiculous.
I know that's not my vehicle.
This is just ridiculous.
That is not my vehicle. This is not my vehicle. So, for what crime though? That is not my vehicle. For what crime? I am the flight number back. Where my phone?
Give me your wallet.
No.
No.
In the final moments, the situation turns physical, proving these officers were not just out of line, they were completely unfit for the job. Under Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989, law enforcement must use only objectively reasonable force based on the totality of circumstances. But here, the officer pushed, grabbed, and attempted to detain someone without ever naming a crime. "That's not my vehicle," the man repeated, as officers laid hands on him anyway. A woman filming was also targeted, even though she hadn't done a thing. But after this encounter, no charges was filed. In the end, the only thing these cops managed to expose was their own incompetence, arrogance, and lack of respect for the Constitution. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.